is my Likaci 5 to 8 kilowatt diesel heater. This is the Bluetooth edition. Bluetooth works well. It's a pretty basic app. Basically turn on, turn off, temperature up, temperature down. I'm running it on a power supply. It's a 20 amp power supply. Got a watt meter there. Shows about 9 to 10 amps on startup. There's a switcher, automatic power switcher. If power ever goes down, we go straight to battery. I got it plumbed in with a radiator. I'm using a heat tape. Works well. Have carbon monoxide sensors all over the shop. None have ever gone off. Good seal. Would use it again. And I just put together a cast iron radiator, and then I have it plumbing going outside. That's my setup. Works pretty good. Pretty happy.